Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of translating text using DeepL AI. First, go to the DeepL AI website. You'll be directed to a page with a large translation box. Here you can type, paste, or drag and drop a PDF file for translation. As soon as you enter your content, DeepL AI automatically detects the language of your text. On the right-hand side, you'll find an output box where you can select your preferred language from a list of over 33 options, including French, Korean, and German. Within seconds, DeepL AI provides the translated text. You can easily copy and use it for your needs. Additionally, the tool offers extra features like text summarization, file translation, and AI-powered text editing. Overall, it's a very user-friendly and efficient tool for translating text quickly and accurately. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Feel free to subscribe for more quick tech guides.